Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and this is the second part of the final revision for the final exam. Are you ready to complete what we started before? Use the figure in the problem, not in the problem, no, okay, sorry. We have this two similar triangles, okay? He asked me to find the length of this side. As we agreed before, we write x, we choose a letter and we write the letter x over the corresponding side of x, which is df here. So x over 18 equal, now we choose another side from the big triangle because we started from here, okay, and take the corresponding one. If I select 10 here, I have nothing here, so I will not select the 10. Okay, now I select the 16, and the corresponding side for BC actually is EF, which is 12. So in the same order from left to right, it is 16 over 12. Now you know the rest of the story, my dear student. You have to do the cross multiplication. The cross multiplication, it is 12 multiply x, and let me start with this. This is the left side and this is the right side. Now 12 multiply x equal 12x, and 18 multiply 16 equal, let me find it, my dear student. 18 multiply 16 equal 288. Then I multiply by 12, divide by 12, so x will equal 24. Are you happy with that? So the length of this side is 24. Okay, the most important thing, my dear student, how to order or to write the proportion. Okay, how we write it? First of all, again, we start with the unknown side. He asked me about the AC, so I will start from here. I write it as x and write the corresponding side, which is this one, 18 over 18. Then I come back to the same triangle from I started before. This triangle, I take the 16 over 12, as you see here, 16 over 12. Don't do like this. If you write 12 over 16, it is wrong. Be careful. I advise you. If you start from here, you have to keep working from this side to this side. Okay, x over 18, then 16 over 12. Okay, can I start from the other side? Yes, but you have to finish from the other side. For example, 18 over x equal 12 over 16. But my advice for my student, you have to start from the side that has the unknown side. The unknown side, that means which side he asks you to find? AC, so start from this side. Okay, each time you start from here, this over this and this over this. Okay, let us move to one more example about this one. Don't scare from the figure. If you have like this one, we have two triangles. I know you know you have two triangles. This is the big one, and the two triangles are similar, and the small one here. You see it, yes? Good. He asked me what? About what? About the height of the building, which is x. Which is x. So x over 5 equal, yes, this over this. This is the corresponding for this side. This side corresponding with this side. Over equal, sorry, this side over this side. 15 over 3. And you know the rest of the story. Cross multiplication. 3 multiply x and 5 multiply 15. We write like this, and we write 3x equal 75. Be careful. Divide by 3, so x equal 25. So the height of this building is 25 feet. Are you happy? Again, don't scare if you see any figure like this. Just you can take this triangle and draw it here in the other way. Yes, I have x here, teacher, and 15 here, and the small one, this is 5 and this is 3. We start from the big to the small, so x over 5 equal 15 over the direction, very important, 15 over 3. So cross multiplication, and you know the rest of the story. We finished the proportional, okay, proportion equation. Okay, and let us take the last part, my dear student. I will start from here. Okay, suppose we have this equation. Okay, you can read it. He asked me find each union or intersection. You know that the union means put each together, and the intersection find the similar between two the similar elements between two sets. Yes, so I have A, it is written and ready, but B here, if you see B, he give it to me as a set builder notation. You see B, so A is 1 3 4 and B equal x is even whole number less than 9. Okay, so I have to write B. So B, I have to translate it and write it as a roster form. So even number, it is 2 4 6 8, goes less than 9, and the C, it is given, and the D, I have to write it as in roster form. It is odd number, and D, I have to write it again here. D equal odd number 1 3 5 7 and 9, because he told me less than 10. Are you happy with that? Now the question come like this. For example, find B intersect D. What is the similar item or element between B and D? Teacher, there is no similar, so the answer is phi. You see how to write the phi? Like this, empty set. Or you can write it like this, circle with cross the circle like this in one line. Are you happy with that? Good. Now, then he asked me C intersect D. C and D intersected. This C, my dear student, and this is D. What is the similar the similar between C and D. 2, 5, 7, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, it is 7. Good. So the answer here, it is only 7, the similar item or element between C and D. So the intersection here, find the similar. Remember this. The similar between what? Between two sets. Easy. Now, if he asks me, find A union B. How we write this? Union means put all the elements together. Okay, my dear student? Yes, put them in the same set. So A, it is 1, 3, 4. I write 1, 3, 4. I write the element of A, and I have to write the element of B, which is 2 here, and 4. 4 is written, I don't need it. 6 and 8. We're done. Are you happy with that? So don't miss that. This sign mean find same or find the same. And this put them together. Okay, are you happy, my dear student? I hope so. I'm finishing from this. I don't need it. Okay, I finish from this. I don't need it. Okay, this one, the subset. My dear students, I know you know, but just to revise. Now he asked me to write subsets. Okay, for this, what is the subset for this group or this set? Let's go. The first two subset, yes, the empty and the full. Great. This is the first two sets. Then write each element individually. 1 alone, 4 alone, and 6 alone. Then write 2, 1, 2 elements together, 1 and 4, and 1 and 6, and 4 and 6. So this is all the subset for this set. Great. Okay, what is the subset of this set? As you said, teacher, I write the empty and I write the set itself, 2 and 4. This is the first two subsets. Secondly, I write each element alone. And then I will write two elements together, yes, but it is only two elements, so you're done. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Let us move to the next. Now here, like this question. Suppose U is universal. Universal, I told you, it is the mother of the set. You know, the mother, so the biggest one. Set. And B is this subset. Find P prime. He asked me about P prime or P complement. So he asked me about P complement. What P missed to be mother actually? I led my dear student like this. He asked me about the P complement. Go and cross the common between the mother and B, as you see, and write the rest element, and it will be the answer. This is the P complement. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Now we finish from this also. Now what about this? This is a Venn diagram. You remember Venn diagram? Okay, Venn diagram, the mother set here, if you ask me what is the mother set here, actually here I have three sets. You have to understand the Venn diagram. Actually I have three sets, A and B and two sets, and the mother set, three sets. I can write. Okay, who can give me the mother set here? The mother set all the elements inside the rectangle. Which is, okay, the elements inside the circle here, and the element inside the circle here, and the elements outside the circle. Okay, my dear student, this is the mother set. Good. Now, the set A, it is 1, 13, 50, 30, 12, and 7. Yes or no? Good. This is the A set. You can write it like this. And the B set, the B set, it is 9, 22, 3, 35, and 12, and 30, and 7. Okay, because, my dear student, if you noted that this area represents the intersecting element or the intersecting area. That means the set A and the set B have 7, 12, and 30, both of them. Are you happy with that? Okay, now, sorry. Now, if he asks me, find A intersect B, don't scare. Just write the elements inside the intersected area. So the answer will be 7, 12, and 30. Are you happy with that? Okay. Now, he asked me, now here, if you see, he asked me what is the P complement. I told you the P complement, what the set B missed to be universal. So I need to cross all the common between. Okay, directly you can write, it is needed 21, 6, 15, 10, 2, and 28. What else? 8, 50, 1, and 3. All of these numbers, okay, it is a P complement. Why, teacher? I don't understand. Because I said for you before, B complement, it is what missed. Okay, if you write all the B here, the U, the universal, you need to write all the elements, all the numbers. Yes, we said that. What B have? Only this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. So you need to write the B complement. Okay, the B complement now, it is the rest elements or the rest numbers will be the answer for this question. Okay, my dear student. Now, okay, what is A complement intersected B? Okay, first of all, we have to find A complement. Let us find it. A complement, my dear student, is it is all the elements outside the circle and exist on the B. For example, this is the A complement. Okay, I take all the elements outside A. So A complement all the elements outside this circle. We change the color, this circle. So the complement for set everything outside this set. Yes? Now let us come back to the B complement again. What is the B complement? I circle the B and write the B complement is all the rest, or the numbers that located inside the circle. Easy, yes? Now, but here he asked me about what is the intersected element between the B complement, the A complement. First of all, this is the A, and this is the A complement. Yes? Now, what is the intersected between A and B? Clearly, it is this element. This element represent the A complement intersected B. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Okay. Now, what is the A union B? A union B, that means you have to put them together. All of these elements A union B. Okay, put the elements of A and the elements of B together. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Okay. This is the last part actually, and I will not answer all of this question, but I will ask you to give me A intersect B. Great boy. It is John and May. John and May. Okay. What else? What is the element of A? Yes. Those the element of set A. So you write A and you write those here. Okay. Okay. What is the element of B? You know the answer. Okay. Okay. What else? I answer this and I answer this, and this is enough. But if I ask you what is the universal set, it is extra, last thing. What you have to write? I have to write all the elements inside the rectangle, which is August, October, June, May, March, January, July, and September. This is the universal set, the mother set. Okay. Now, what you have to know from this video, you have to know how to find A intersect B, A union B, and what is A and what is B. Okay, let me repeat fast. B, it is the element inside B. June, May, October, August. Done? Okay. What is A? A, it is the elements inside the circle A. January, June, May, March. Good. Okay. A intersect B. The similar, it is the elements inside the intersected area here. It is John and May. Done. What is A union B? It is all the elements inside the circles only. Okay, my dear student, we done. Okay, are you happy with that? I hope so. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefits from my video. Good luck and full mark for my dear students. Goodbye.